Welcome back to the third session. In this one, we are going to look at some practical aspect of it. Right now, we just had a rectangular buildable space, but that is not a reality. In reality, we get some jagged lines. So let's create a polygon onto here. But before that, let me hide hide this. Yeah. So this is the plot of land. Actually, I want the baseline. Yeah, so and this is a plot of land, this is the buildable area, and in that we will be making our building. Let me get the polyline, and then the building that we are making is, let's say, shaped in such a manner. Okay, this is not even um, brilliant, right? So it is shaped in such a manner with lots of darks and negative spaces. Hmm. Just trying to complicate it a bit. All right, so let's say this is the profile of the building where we've got balconies and utility areas and everything. And these two spaces are just empty. I mean, probably a vent or duct system is running down. So in this case, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a geometry placeholder, right click, set one geometry, and then select this one. So now this is the profile, and this is what is gonna go in over here in all of these. So now this won't be the buildable area, this will be the actually built up area um, of one floor. So I'm gonna rename it BUA is built up area for floor. And then this will be used for calculating everything else. The FSI will also be used from here. And we don't have to change anything. The FSI that is coming over here is according to this. So it has reduced this much area and this much area and given us the final outcome. Let me turn on this thing. So you can see this is how many floors we will be having. And this would be the FSI that we are getting if we go up to G plus 4. And if it is a stilt building, then we can simply move everything up by 4, or we can start off at whatever the height you want to keep for the stilts. And let's clean up the script a bit. Um, so this is something we made, so let's hide it. And I can remove the area. Let us keep the plot boundary. All right, so you've got the plot boundary and we've got these buildings. What I want to do is make it more aesthetical, or practical for even laymen to understand. So we'll do that in the next session. This session was about how to get the actual drawing profile of the building and put it in Grasshopper. So see you in the next one.